Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you have asked me that I should show you guys a recipe of a gluten-free bread that is Jain-friendly or doesn't have any yeast. So I've come up with a recipe that is 100% Jain-friendly. It does not contain any yeast, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can bake this bread in a pan and not in an oven. So let's go bake this gluten-free bread. But before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.
So in our bowl, we're going to add ragi flour to it. Then after that, we're going to add psyllium husk. And then we're going to add some little bit of oil. You can use butter if you feel like, but I prefer oil, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. So we're going to add all of this. You can add some herbs, flavors if you like. Now when it comes to milk, make sure that you're adding the milk little by little. Do not add the entire mentioned quantity because we do not want it very sticky. It has to be like a nice dough. So it has to be soft like a dough. If it's sticky, then that will be an issue. So keep adding milk little by little, and if you're changing the flour or using a different ragi flour, there might be a milk quantity difference. So make sure you add little by little. We do not want it too sticky. It has to look like a regular dough. Then once that is done, I have taken eno and then I've added little milk on top. So after adding eno, you have to make sure that you keep kneading it very quickly, because if this method is wrong, then your bread will not turn out good. So you have to just be careful in this method, and again knead the dough well. Do not knead it too much, little bit. Then roll it into a log. Now you take your bread tin and then you make sure you add a parchment paper to it so it's easy to remove the bread, and you put the bread inside. You want to make buns also with this, you can just divide the dough and then make buns also. After that, I topped it with some sesame seeds and flax seeds, herbs. You can put some flavor in it, that's up to you. You keep adding that. Once this is done, what we're going to do is, if you want to bake this bread in the oven, bake it at 180 degrees for like 40 to 50 minutes. But in the pan, I am doing it on induction. You can do on a medium glass, on a regular stove. Just make sure that it's on medium flame. So you preheat your pan first. After that is done, you add the bread into it. Now you have to bake it for 40-45 minutes and keep checking. You have to make sure that you keep checking. It might take a little bit time also. Put the toothpick inside. If it comes out clean, that means your bread is ready. After few seconds, demold it. Don't wait to cool in the mold only. Just demold it, and then you can see that your bread is turned out super soft. You might face an issue that in pan, if you just little bit over bake it, you might feel that the top is little crusty, but don't worry. Just brush it with oil. Oh, I've got a trick. You take muslin cloth or any cloth, wet it a bit, and then add on top of your bread when it's cooling. This will help your bread to remain very soft. Then once it's cool, you slice it, and then you see your bread is ready. Yes, this bread is going to be a little bit dense. That is okay. You can just heat it up and your bread will be ready. Also, to store it in a airtight box.